Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Nabil Miraz giving you a brief introduction about our project, Tomato Leaf Disease Detection. So our project aims to develop an AI-powered system using deep learning and computer vision to accurately detect plant diseases from leaf images, enabling faster and more accurate diagnosis compared to manual methods. This technology will be integrated into a web application for agronomists, bridging the gap between cutting-edge AI and agriculture to enhance crop health and food security.
Hello everyone, myself Keshav Dhingra. I am here to present the report of our project. So our project name is Tomato Plant Leaf Disease Detection. Let's start with it. So in this project we mainly aims to develop a CNN using TensorFlow Keras for plant disease identification based on the leaf patterns, and in this deep learning and computer vision for automated bug detection. So let's start with the dataset. So our dataset includes 10 classes of tomato leaf images for robust model training. As you can see in the video, there are some example about it. And our proposed methodology is data prep involves resizing and normalization. CNN model architecture includes convolution layers. And this is our model architecture, as you can see, and it includes approximately 1.8 million trainable parameters. This is our structure of the model, and now this is the tech stack. It includes Python, TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, Pandas, and Streamlit for development and deployment. We achieved the result achieved 97.9% accuracy on test data. And so the conclusion mainly is it demonstrates ML's potential in agriculture for early disease detection. Future work includes broader agricultural applications. Thank you.
Myself Manikanta Gangam, and today here in this video I am going to give the complete demo of our project plant leaf disease prediction. So in this project we are going to detect the different types of diseases in the tomato leaves. So we are collected the various kinds of images of tomato leaves, which consists of 9 different types of diseases and one folder of healthy images. So basically the total number of classes are 10 for this project. So we build a custom CNN architecture for this model to classify the different diseases of tomato leaves. After that we saved this model, and uh, I built a Streamlit app for this. So I am going to run this Streamlit app now. So the app is running. Here we can upload an image of any leaf, any tomato leaf. It can detect the disease of that leaf. So um, here you can see I have calculated the different types of viruses of tomato leaves. So I am giving this target spot virus of tomato leaf. I have successfully uploaded that image. Okay, it classified as it as target spot. And now here I'm going to upload a different leaf, bacterial spot. Yes, the image is uploaded successfully. Now the predicted class is bacterial spot, and we can try with any different. I'm giving the early blade image here. Image is going to upload. Yes, image is uploaded successfully. Yes, the predicted class is detected as early blight. Yes, this is our project. Thank you.